Reducing greenhouse gases is key to fighting climate change. Everyone knows about CO2, but sulfur hexafluoride, SF6, is another greenhouse gas, and it is 23,500 times stronger than CO2. For decades, SF6 has been used to insulate and break the electrical current in high and medium voltage. It is safe and reliable, and that's why it's the industry standard. With one problem: its greenhouse gas potential. Removing SF6 from switchgear is possible. In secondary applications, that often means replacing the SF6 switch with a vacuum circuit breaker. But this has three main drawbacks. It makes the equipment more complex and bigger. Fuse protection of a transformer is not possible, and operators are forced to change the way they work. All this means that circuit breakers are not cost-effective and commonly overkill for simple needs. Think of your house. You wouldn't use a circuit breaker to turn on a light. We successfully removed SF6 from our MV switchgear without any compromises. That means no change in the way you operate the switchgear. It has identical reliability and electrical performance. It stays compact in size, and we keep fuse protection and the switch functions that make it the most cost-effective solution. This is only possible because of innovation. We managed to maintain the same functionality in a load break switch without the need to use SF6. It uses a clever combination of pure air and vacuum technology called shunt vacuum interruption. SVI allows the use of the well-known 3-position switch, same as you find in today's equipment, so operators don't have to learn new practices, keeping them safer. Our green switchgear completely removes the need for SF6 end-of-life treatment. It is as effective and simple to use as its predecessors, with even better safety and reliability. We believe in safe and proven technology. We believe the best gas is pure air. With the new green technology, we are making MV switchgear more sustainable to protect the future for everyone. See our green and sustainable solutions.